All right, now we need to set up our works cited page in the paper. Once you have, of course, got your heading, easy way to do that is go to Actively Learn where you have stored your articles, and you can click on the word Cite and then click each article that you are using in your paper. If you are not actually quoting or paraphrasing from it, it does not go in your works cited page. But you'll click those, click the word Next, and you'll notice it's now giving you choices, MLA, Chicago, APA. We are doing MLA. And just click the word Copy Citations and close. Then you will go to your paper, and what you need to do is go to the last place where you have typed, and I want you to put your cursor below that, and you're going to go Insert Page Break. The reason you want to do that is once you put your MLA information here, no matter how much you type up here, it does not affect this page. Okay, so once you're here, then of course, make sure left margin, and then you can click Paste without formatting. That means that when things are placed onto this paper, it will look like everything else. So paste without formatting. And we have some issues here. For some reason, Actively Learn does not really pick up well on authors. So here where it says adapted by staff, we're going to get rid of that. And we're just going to keep the first word of that entry. And so let's take a look at the first word of each one. This page has to be in alphabetical order. So we have a C, F, S. So far it's in alphabetical order, but we need to fix a few things. So when you are at the top here, click Enter. And now we need to center a line, and we're going to type the words Works Cited. So WORKS period cited CITED. Make sure the W is capitalized and the C is capitalized. Now this gets centered, but everything else will be left aligned. Do not center the text on this page. Next, each entry is a little unusual because it's a reverse paragraph. So you're going to start the entry, has to start it at the margin, and then every other line will be indented. So go to the end of the line, click Enter, and then click Tab. And then you have to go to the end of the line, click Enter, and Tab. You can't just put the cursor at the front and then click Tab because it moves everything. Okay, so you have to, and come on, there we go. So again, you have to take your cursor, put it at the end, then click Enter, Tab. Okay. And the reason why this is going to be a little odd is because, well, that's the URL. It's just a little odd. Okay. And then click Tab. Oops. Okay, there we go. And this one has to be at the margin, and then we put it at the end, and then we click Enter and Tab, and then put the cursor at the end, Enter, Tab. Now it is set up correctly. Only the first line is at the margin. All following lines are indented. Okay? And this is how you set up the Works Cited page. So make sure you get that done and do it correctly, and no extra spaces between. Okay? So go ahead and do that portion now.